Your sound is your identity. It's what makes you, well, you. So let's focus on 3 simple things. Number 1, know your options. Know what's out there. Listen to different players and make decisions about what you want to sound like. Number 2, your sound is in your head. It's not about the gear. The sound you want lives in here and comes out through here. Number 3, lead with desire. Play like you want to play and not the way others tell you you should play.